Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are changing the ignition coil on this 2011 323i. So I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. You can do it at home because the car showing a misfire when we are revving on high RPM, like after 3000 RPM when we are pulling the car. So it shows a misfire in cylinder 6. So you can see this one is different than other ones. So we are changing all the 6. So don't try to change only one, because it's better if you are changing, just change them, all of them together. So I'll show you how to do it. So these are your ignition coils, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I already removed the engine cover. You can open these 4 bolts using Allen key. 2 are here and 2 are at the back. So it's pretty easy, but before removing the engine cover you have to open all this setup so that you can access the bolt which are behind. So yeah, I already removed the engine cover because I was checking the misfire and it shows misfire in cylinder 6. So let's change all of them. So first of all, remove this, pull this one back and open this one. There are clicks, so you can open this up like this. After opening this one, you can open that side too. First of all, you have to pull this one, and that's wire. You can remove the sensor. So after removing this one, you have to open these 2 bolts. These are 8 mm, one on that side and one on that side. So you can use drill and 8 mm to open this up. That side and one on that side. Oh, it goes here, but that's fine, I'll take it later on. And after that you have to open these 4 screw for your cabin air filter. These are also 8 mm. After removing cabin air filter, it will look like this. Now we have 2 locks here. One is this one. These are plastic, so plastic or rubber, yeah, rubber, like this. And you can simply just lift this thing up like this. So now you can see your engine cover bolt. One is here and one is down there. So these are pretty easily accessible now. So our next step is to remove ignition coil. To remove this one, you have to lift this thing up. These are the locks, and pull all the way forward and the plug will come out automatically. That's one. And you want to open this like this. 2 like this, and then 3, it will come out like this. 3, and that's 4, and that's 5, and at the end, I don't know you can see or not, but That's sixth. Sorry for the bad lighting, but you know. So that's how you can open this up, and to pull this one out you can put your finger here, or you can put screwdriver here to pull them out, or you can just grab them like this, and that's how. So these are the ignition coils. One, see, this one is aftermarket, so maybe that's why. Never put different ignition coil. It's better to replace all at the same time so that you don't have any misfire. So just pull all this one out. So guys, that's the reason it was misfiring. See, it's broken. I hope you can see. Yeah, so these are the 6, and now we are replacing it with the brand is, it says Macax. We got it from Amazon, so yeah, it's a cheap replacement because we already ordered the OEM, but these gonna take time to come, so that's why we are replacing it with these one till we don't receive the OEM ones. And to install them back, it's pretty easy. You have to just pull it all the way down, so you're gonna hear a click when it gonna fit in this. So let me show you again. So that's our new one. So make sure that facing that side, and see, you're gonna hear a click when you are putting it back. And next step is to put your plug like this here and start closing that ignition coil, and it will pull your plug automatically back like this. It's in. Yeah, like this. So that's how you can replace all the 6. So just do this one first. So after putting all coils back, make sure they are tight, they are not loose, their connector are perfectly installed, right, so that you don't get any misfire after installing these one. If you get any misfire after replacing these coils, it means your spark plugs are bad, but I already checked the spark plug on this car and they are pretty good. So our next step is to put our plastic thing back over there. So after putting this back, tighten this rubber, and you can put your 8mm screw over there like this, and same thing for that side. So to take this one out, you can just pull this one out. And your 8mm screw will go here. Put your sensor back. Now next step is to put your cabin air filter back. And you can just tighten the screw 8mm, right? And we will put engine cover later on, because we have to fix these leaks too, and I'll show you in the next video how to fix these leaks. That's not the valve cover gasket, that's that thing is leaking, you can see, and oil filter housing gasket is leaking. So in the next video I'll show you how to fix this one. So before putting all that thing, put your engine cover back, then install cabin air filter and the support for this one. So that's how, guys, you can change your ignition coil if you find any misfire. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.